Deputy Chief Minister but State NPP President ba Prestone ten song la Ther ka WPP ha ka ba day bat ka jingpundan ka mi ka tin Hindi da ka ba ong ba ka ne ka seng ka ba thamai ka ya le kai drama ha ba kren shakilar pathai ku bor ba Prestone ten song la ong ba ha po assembly ki ong da kumwe shabar pa da kumwe.
I think it's time to ask from them. I'm not here to reply on their behalf, but I've seen even the appeal. They have written it in Hindi. I don't know from where did they get this, this professional to draft this Hindi statement or Hindi appeal. So better ask from them. But my personal opinion is, it looks so dramatic because inside the assembly you say something, and outside the assemblies, and then not only that, during the campaign again you say something else. So I think we leave it to the wisdom of the voters. Let the voters ask this question at the appropriate time.